So welcome to my YouTube video, Miss LX. Please subscribe. Today we're gonna do a do-it-yourself face mask with the Indian clay and the apple cider vinegar. So just watch along, and guys, let me know what it is that you use on your face that helps with your dark marks and just closing up your pores. Like, yeah, just closing up your pores and clearing it out. Honestly, this is my babes right here with me today. But let me know some skincare routines that you have that helps with your skin. My skin isn't dry. It's a mix of both dry and oily. But yeah, let me know. Here we go. Welcome to my video, Miss LX. Please subscribe. Once again, subscribe and thumbs up. I love you guys. Thumbs up, baby. So today we're going to do a DIY face mask, and we're going to use the Indian healing clay. Also with that, we're going to add some apple cider vinegar and mix it together, and it's going to give us like this creamy type substance. And you just throw it on your face. So here we go. I like to use a plastic cup and a plastic spoon most of the time. So all I'm going to do is add, I would say I would add at least 2 to 3 spoonfuls in here, because in order to get it mixed up how I want it, that's how much I'm going to need. Because if you don't put enough, then it's going to come out watery, or it's just not going to come out right at all. You're not going to be able to use it, and you're going to have to keep on mixing it. So I'm just going to eyeball this, and this is how it is going to look inside, which is not good. This is not good. I'm going to add some more clay after I finish doing this thing. This is me every time. Hot mess. But it's cool. Cool, man. Right now, I am having a little issues with a couple dark marks, and just dark marks, honestly. And I need to get this toning corrected quick. So this is how I start. I just literally so I won't be reaching my hand all the way in that cup. I should start cutting the cup. Looks like I'm about to eat it. But I just take 2 fingers, whatever, take it, and just throw it on there. And it's going to start to harden up. Just throw it in. Try to get it as neat. Well, not neat, but in all the spots it needs to be in. So you see that cup I made? You're not even going to need all of that. But in order for you, with my experience, in order for you to correctly be able to mix it and get this type of creamy substance, you're going to have to put a little bit more. So sometimes I may feel like that's a waste, but I do go ahead and just toss it away after not being able to use it all. But that's the amount I use in order to get the type of substance I want. Get that nose. So, and this is enough for me. You guys let me know how long you usually leave your mask on there. I like to leave it on there when I see that all spots are pretty much hardened. And yeah, when all spots are pretty much hardened. Like right now, I can still feel some pretty wet spots on my face. So that's why I'm not going to touch it yet. So I'm going to give it a little bit. Look at my nose. But right now, I still pretty much feel some wet spots on my face, so I'm not going to touch it now. I'm going to give it a little bit longer. Then I'm going to wipe it off. My face has been acting up these past couple of weeks. I don't know if it's because the seasons have changed, but it may most likely be my skin always gets drier when the seasons change. I don't care what season it is, but every time the season changes, my skin does not react well. Leave a comment below if you feel like your skin does the same, wants to act like a butt when the seasons change. That's my conclusion with my skin. Every season, I just know it's going to be something. Like, my hair doesn't really get dry anymore, but when it comes to my skin, like my facial skin and my scalp, I just know, like, okay, like, you know, you need a little bit more oil this month, or, you know, face wise, like, all right, be on your face mask and drink your water. Make sure your skin don't just act like a complete asshole, you know? So that's why I'm doing this mask today. I do it quite often. I would say at least once a week. At least once a week. You know, sometimes even twice, but usually once a week I try to do this mask because it works for me. I like the results. Usually when I take it off, I see results right then and there. Honestly, I can't say too much right now, but after I take it off, I'll let you guys know and I could better explain what I feel like my skin, the difference after doing it for a while. Definitely helps with keeping it smooth too, if you ask me. It doesn't make my face red or anything. It doesn't make it bumpy. And what else? Like, my face does not react badly to the Indian clay mask at all. It really doesn't. Once again, this is what I used. The Indian healing clay. And I mixed it. Let me go ahead and close this. And I also used the apple cider vinegar. This is the one I used. And I just mix it up in there with it. And it gives me this wonderful concoction, which I'm going to throw away. Even though, like, where's some other places that you can use this stuff at, ladies? Let me know, because I want to use my extra. And do not mind my nails, because I see these things needs to be done. I see, I got you. But let me know some other places that you could put this mixture at on your body, ladies, because I would definitely do so. I would do so because I don't like wasting shit. I don't like wasting stuff. And this is enough for me to do my face 2 more times. But I'm going to toss it in the trash. I'm going to toss it in the trash because what else am I going to do with it right now? But yeah. I do get a little impatient with face masks and stuff just because it's supposed to be relaxing, you know, and I do have my little, you know, self-care. I'm definitely all about self-care. The only reason I get impatient is because, like, how much longer should I keep this on my face? And then when I'm done, it's just like, okay, what next? And I'm definitely gonna do some videos about my locks. These things look horrible right now. Well, not really. I like it like that. But they definitely need a retwist. It always get hooked on my piercing. But they definitely need a retwist right now. Let me know if you guys are interested in some lock videos. IDK, what kind of lock videos I'm going to do. But I do want to do some. I'll figure that out. I'll figure that out. But my babies, just like the other night I woke up and I'm just like, they grew a couple inches. Even they probably didn't do shit. But these are my babies for real. My locks, they are my babies. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to like this spot, but I put like a lot right there. I can see it's pretty thick right there, so I can tell I put a lot right there, but I'm still gonna go ahead and get ready to take this off. Also, I feel like if you leave it on too long, the harder it is to get off. Like you could get it off, of course, but it's the harder it is to get off. Like you just like, what the fuck did I do? But you have to scrub, like really scrub, cause it's a clay. Like up here, like I could touch it now, but if I put like another layer on, like if it was a little thicker, I would have put right there. Me scrubbing that off would have been a little problem, but me seeing that it's not that much, it probably won't be that bad, honestly, to take off. But sometimes I find myself constantly having to, like, goodness gracious. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and take it off. Okay. See, that hurts. That hurt it. That really hurt it. I'm putting some more water on this thing. But I was just chilling, but that usually happens when you're doing the face mask. You start chilling and don't take the shit off. I've loved doing this mask though. It was one of the best things I've decided to buy, facial products. Cause I don't like I do have very sensitive skin. I don't like to just use anything on my skin. Some stuff, like I know if something has grapefruit or something in it, that doesn't really be acting well to my face. Like I was using the Neutrogena one before and it had grapefruit in it. My face was red. That thing was broken out and some more shit. It didn't work for my face at all. But then again, I used to use I honestly do not know the name of this shit. But the Neutrogena in the orange, there was the orange substance. It had the little beads in it. I used to use that. I used to like that for my face. Another good one is Noxzema. Noxzema actually, I don't have any more Noxzema, but that's actually like, I remember one time I was just upset. Like my skin was acting as I was upset. My dad was just like, you need to use some Noxzema. You need to use some Noxzema. And of course, I don't know how this is my dad. What the fuck are you doing? But I ended up using his Noxzema or whatever, and it worked. Love that. Love that stuff. You love this stuff right here. My skin is already pretty smooth, but I don't know. But yeah, this has nothing to do with the smoothness. But I just feel like I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I feel like it closes my pores a little bit. Like beforehand, I could just like getting this close up to my skin, I could see that my face like was, I'm gonna explain it as wide as like open. Like for any dirt or anything like that, I feel like this cleanses your skin out really good from the inside out. So that's what I'm trying to say. It cleanses your skin really good from the inside out. I don't see stuff in here. It gets up in here. Gets this shit out. My skin looks better. Period. I definitely think it helps with your pores. Close them and stuff. So you won't be having like little